Hey, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. Jenny Garth is nothing like Kelly Taylor, her famous character on 90210. She grew up in a frugal family and she's still that way now. Jenny is the coupon website Retail Me Not's new The Real Deal columnist, and for her debut post, she opens up about being a little less fancy and a lot more down to earth. Jenny says, yes, I live in LA, but I don't live in a mansion with a cook and a butler. Every minute is precious now more than ever, and every dollar I bring home or manage to save means more safety and security for my family and our future. Jenny describes growing up with 5 siblings in a small town in Illinois. Quote, we grew much of our own food, and I can still remember flipping through the tattered pages of my mom's favorite cookbook about feeding a family on $12 a week. For more entertainment news, stick with hollyscoop.com.
Watch your favorite videos wherever you are. Available as a free download for both your iPhone and iPad. Search Holly Scoop in the iTunes Store.